Hi, if you want to enable and disable call waiting on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then open Phone app. From here, tap on three dots on top and choose Settings. Now you need to scroll a bit down till you could find Supplementary Services. And after you selected it, you should see Call Waiting feature. So if you can see that the switcher is gray, then it is disabled. And to enable, just tap on the switcher so it will light up green. Basically, this is a service where you can accept a second incoming call by placing an in-progress call on hold, and may also switch between calls. So just enable it right here, and to disable, tap on the switcher like that and go back. So that's it for today. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comments. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.